was a million years ago. It clicks now. Hear that? Click, 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 click. And it's all your fault. It was an accident.
Kick his butt, Rowley. It's easy. Fight, 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 come on, what's wrong with you guys? Start punching!
You started. You started. No, you. Quit copying me.
This has got to be the worst fight ever! Do something!
Oh, you're so freaking dead. Oh, you guys better scram or I'm gonna kick your butts too. You guys have no idea what I'm gonna do to you. Oh, what are we gonna do? I don't know. We need to move this along. My shift at Cinnabon starts in half an hour. I know what we're gonna do. Give me the wide one. Let's go. Pick it up.
But...
Pick it up. Now eat it.
No.
Eat it or I'll shove the entire thing down your throat.
I don't even want to say exactly what happened, because if Rowley ever tries to run for president, and someone finds out what these guys made him do, he won't have a chance.
Now you.
But I'm allergic to dairy. I'll die, and then you'll go to jail. And...
Hey!